Hi guys! Today we're going to be starting our basic English grammar book for level 2. I actually gave many of you a packet in your bag of items that we dropped off at your homes. I know some of you didn't get these items, and if you did not get them, don't worry, you'll be able to do these things online. So this is what the book looks like, and if we were at school we would have the book, but we don't since we're online. But I'm going to show you what we're going to start with. We're going to start this unit in chapter 1 using the words be and have. So I'm actually going to scroll past this. This is called the table of contents, and it tells you about what the book will be about. It's very long. We usually don't finish the whole book in the school year, but we're going to try to get through as much as we can. Those of you at home, if you got this packet, this is the first page. This is usually something I do on the first day of school, but since we aren't in person, we can't talk to our classmates and ask them their names, but that's normally what we do there. But today we're going to start with lesson 1 of unit 1. Noun plus is plus noun is singular. As you guys maybe already remember, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing in English. When we talk about something being singular, it means one. Like if you say, I'm single, it means I'm by myself. I don't have a boyfriend or girlfriend. Singular means one, not two or more. So an example here is Canada is a country. Canada is the name of a country. It is a singular noun. It's one country. Is a singular verb. And country is a singular noun. Verb is sometimes an action word, and in this case, it is a word that connects Canada to country. So here's another example. Mexico is a country. A comes in front of singular nouns. So for example, a comes in front of the singular noun country. A is called an article. A country, a book, a pizza, a teacher. We use this word a. It means the same thing as one pizza, one teacher, one country. But we also have a word that is called an. A and an have the same meaning. They mean the same thing. They are both articles. We use a in front of words that begin with what we call consonants. So those are all the letters except for A, E, I, O, and U. So B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K. A bed, a cat, a dog, a friend, a girl. But we use an in front of words that begin with A, E, I, and O. So for example, we don't say a animal, we say an animal. We don't say a ear, we say an ear. We don't say a island, we say an island. We don't say a office, we say an office. Because these words start with vowels. The reason that we do that is in English it's hard to say a animal. You need to break up the sound a little bit, an animal. So we're going to also go down here, we're going to look at the first practice. It says to use complete sentences. You're going to use an article. You're either going to use a or you're going to use an. So let's do this together. Number 2 says English is. English is a language, English is an language. Well, L is an example of a consonant, so I know it's got to be English is a language because an language sounds funny, and this is a letter L, it is not a vowel. Let's try number 3. Chicago is blank city. 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 City is a C, so that's a consonant. So I'm going to say Chicago is a city, Chicago is an city. What do you think? If you said Chicago is a city, then you got that correct. Let's jump down a little bit. We're going to try some new ones. Let's go down to the bottom. So blank ant is blank insect. You know, these are ants. We see them outside. They like to come into our houses and eat our food. Things like this, these types of animals are called insects or bugs. Sorry, my washer is washing right now. So, A and I we know that we're going to use an in front of this because it starts with a vowel. So ant is an insect. I would like for you to complete these ones in the middle with either a or an. If you forget how to use them, go back and remember a is used in front of these words, these letters, B, C, D, F, G, and an is used in front of ones that start with vowels. When you finish page 2, you're going to work on page 3. Page 3 also includes some examples, but this time you're going to add a word. So you're going to complete these sentences. You're going to use an article, a or an, and you're going to choose one of these words from the word bank to finish the sentence. So for example, Arabic is, well, we know Arabic is a language, so we're going to write a, and we chose the word language. Rome is a city, so we use a, and then this starts with a C, so we use city. Rome is a city. A cat is, we know cats are animals. That's one of the words listed here, so we're going to write an animal because this starts with letter A. Let's try number 4 together. Asia is, what is Asia? It's not a country, it's actually a continent. So on the line you would write a continent. How about Tokyo? Tokyo is, it's a country, so you'd write a country. Let's go over to one of these and try another. A bee. A bee is bzzz, they sting you. A bee is, it's an insect. Because insect starts with the letter I, you would write an insect on the line. So I would like for you to try to complete exercise 2 and complete exercise 3. You can either upload these pages in Schoology from Notability, or if you would like, you can handwrite them and take a picture of them from the packet you may have received from me before school started. If you have any questions, please reach out and ask. Otherwise, good luck working on Lesson 1 from Unit 1, noun plus is singular. Good luck!